Hey Martine, I'm Max. This is your video that you commented in my Facebook page for. So I'm going to show you how you can bring in a lot of more customers with an online presence. I just want to say I like the setup of your Facebook page here, and I really like how it has this Book Now button. That just makes it really easy for people to get to you. I'm going to show you how to do this with a website because that's what I would do, and it's just a lot more verified to rank in Google. And that's essentially what we're going to be doing, is finding keywords that is relevant to your niche and your area, and I will show you how to rank a website for that. So really you would want to be in this #1 spot organically and in this Google Map Pack, because that gets about 50 to 65% of the people that are actively searching for you. And if you can see here, that's because the Wi-Fi went out. But if you can see here, there's 360 people a month searching for painters in Omaha. So that's an entire market that you would want to be a part of and get 50 to 60% of that, which would be 150 plus customers clicking on your site and calling you. So in order to obtain this position, you would first have to create a website, and I'm going to use Wyman Painting, your competitor, just to kind of show you the three main things that they're doing that you could be doing in order to rank in that position. So if we copied everything on their homepage, all of this content here, let me see, I don't know why it's not letting me. There we go. And we put it in this word counter. You can see that they have about 118 words. And Google really wants about 1,500 to 2,000 words. And they would want you to have these keywords in here in order to be relevant for these searches and in order to come up whenever these consumers are searching for your niche in your area. The next thing that you could do to become more relevant to these searches with a website is backlinks. And a backlink is basically one website linking to yours, which passes power and relevance, which also makes you more relevant for those search terms. Your competitor here has 155 backlinks, but it looks like they're all a bunch of no-follow backlinks, which makes it easy on you because you could totally get some really high powerful backlinks here to a website and outrank him because his trust flow with Google is 0. So Google's trust rating is at 0 with him. The third and final thing that you could do is citations, and that's a business's name, address, and phone number placed on various directories throughout the web. And that just makes them more relevant for their Google My Business page like this one to pop up. And as you can see, your competition doesn't even have their address verified. So if you got your address verified, put your name and your number out there on a couple of directories, then I'm sure you'd be able to surpass them in those Google rankings as well and start bringing in that 65% of the 360 people that are searching for your service. So I hope that this was informative, and I will contact you tomorrow to check back in and just kind of get some feedback from this video. So I appreciate it, and thank you for your time.